Okay, using Google Assistant. Okay, Google, how are you?
I'm feeling pretty chill. Since the weather is cooling down in many parts of the country, it's a good time to stay warm indoors and dig up some fun winter facts. I learned that the record for the largest snowflake is 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick.
Okay, Google, I think I'm bored.
Sure, for that, you might like What Should I Be for Halloween? Want to give it
Yes?
a try?
Yes?
Wow, I'm so glad you asked. I don't want to toot my own horn, but I'm kind of an expert. Oh, hold on. Trick or treat! Nice costumes! Great use of burlap. Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay, run along and have fun.
Thank you.
I need to help someone now.
Bye.
Okay, let me assess your costume interests with a few questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Great. I have 5 questions. Here comes the first one. When you trip and fall down, do you make a silly sound?
Of course.
Terrifyingly good answer. Here's another one. If you could have the best donut in the world for $50 or a regular donut for $1, which would you pick? The best donut or a regular donut?
A regular donut, since anyway it's just a donut.
Fascinating. Try this one. Do you regularly yell for other people to bring you things?
Yes, just like I yell at you.
That didn't seem like an answer. Give it another shot.
Yes.
That's creepy. In a good way. Next question. What do you use to greet someone? A handshake or an exploding fist bump?
A handshake will do.
Just answer the questions, and then I'll give you a result at the end. What do you use to greet someone? A handshake or an exploding fist bump?
A handshake.
Got it. Last question. It's kind of a story problem. Okay. Pretend that you work for a really demanding boss, and he asks you to get him a brain by the end of the day. It's for an important project that he needs to finish before an electrical storm rolls into town. You heard there might be a damaged brain available at the local brain depository. What do you do? Get the brain or find another job?
I guess I'm finding another job.
Well, that was unexpected. Can you try again? Get the brain or find another job?
Find another job.
Please answer again. Get the brain or find another job?
Find another job.
Awesome, thanks. Let me make a few quick calculations. Okay, got it. Get ready. There's no easy way to say this. You should be a clown. And not a funny clown either. Not a party clown. You should be a freaky clown. Buy a neon wig, an ill-fitting leisure suit, and some pancake makeup. Then apply the makeup messily to your face. Have a great Halloween. Do you want to take the quiz again?
No, thank you.
Okay, try again later, if you like.
Okay, Google. Volume up.
Alright.
Okay, Google. Volume down.
Alright.
Okay, Google. Screen brightness up.
These are the top results.
Okay, Google. Increase my screen brightness.
Okay, it's brighter.
Okay, Google. Reduce my screen brightness.
Here are some results from the web.
Okay, Google. Reduce my screen brightness.
Okay, it's darker.
Okay, Google. What do you think about Alexa?
I like Alexa's cool blue light. Plus, we share an affinity for Star Wars.
Then, what do you think about Siri?
She seems clever.
Okay, Google. What do you think about me?
This is just my opinion, so take it with a grain of salt. I think you're extremely cool.
Well, thank you.
Not a problem.
Okay, Google. Show me what else can you do.
Here are a couple of suggestions. You can say things like, I'm single, or, are you excited for the games in Pyeongchang? Just swipe to see more suggestions.
Okay, Google. Play Indian by Linkin Park on YouTube.
Alright, In the End by Linkin Park. Playing on YouTube.
Yeah, so that's Google Assistant on iOS. Pretty impressive, right? Thank you. Bye bye.